After over 20 years in the Corvette and classic car industry, and me being a true red-blooded American car guy, I've come to realize there's more to a car than just the car itself. Sometimes, if you do a little digging, if you listen close to what the car has to tell you, you just might uncover a fascinating tale. This is American Car Stories. Hello everybody, I'm Chris and welcome to another episode of American Car Stories, coming to you from Corvette in Atlanta, Georgia. Today I've got a really nice 1968 L79 Convertible to show you. 68 was an all-new design for Corvette. The exterior and interior were completely gone over. They made quite a bit of changes. The wheelbase and chassis all remain pretty much the same for 1968 as the previous year Corvette, but they did make a complete redesign of the car and it looks absolutely beautiful. Did back then and still does today. A lot of changes they made included the headlights were operated by vacuum for 1968, as well as the windshield wipers had a vent. They were hidden by this panel here and they were operated by vacuum as well. The previous models, they rotated. These were the first year of the pop-up headlights. Also for 1968, the battery was moved to the rear location behind the driver's seat. The side vent windows of the previous Corvettes were gone and replaced by the Astro ventilation system. 1968 was the last year of the ignition location on the instrument panel until 1997 in the 5th generation Corvettes. The exterior door mechanism for 1968 was exclusive for this year, utilizing a spring-loaded finger plate and a separate release button used to open the door from the outside. It's the easiest way to spot a 1968 Corvette. This 1968 Corvette has a numbers matching 327 cubic inch L79 350 horsepower mated to a manual transmission. Has a code correct rally red paint with black code correct vinyl interior. One of the nice options that this car was ordered with was the auxiliary hardtop. Now this one is matching, it's not vinyl. You could get a vinyl hardtop back then. This one is the color code matching for this car. A lot of times these get left on the stand because they're kind of cumbersome to take on and off. It totally changes the look of the car when they're on. What's nice though is these cars also had available a soft top. And this one has a really nice condition black vinyl soft top that's in really, really good shape. And it looks really nice on this car. Plenty of options with this car, which include power steering, AM/FM radio, redline tires, a dealer installed luggage rack. Also has with it an original Protecto plate, what appears to be the original tank sticker and window sticker as well. This car has been well loved as documented with an extensive ownership photo album from the previous owner. The body off restoration looks to be recent and the paint looks to be newer with a very good finish and shine. The convertible top is in excellent condition and most likely replaced during that restoration. The chrome on the car looks to be excellent condition all the way around. The bumpers, the door handles, luggage rack, all in excellent condition on this car. The wheels, stainless center caps and beauty rings are all in excellent condition as would be expected on a car this complete. This car is wearing a correct set of Firestone wide oval Super Sport redline bias ply tires. The interior of the car is in equal condition to the outside of the car. Everything under the hood looks to be correct, as is wearing the correct air cleaner, valve covers, ignition shielding, radiator hose and clamps, and is nicely detailed as would be expected. Thank you for tuning in to American Car Stories. I really hope you enjoyed this video of this 1968 Corvette. If you like what you see, you'd like to see more, please like and subscribe. If you'd like to check out our website, click on the link below. You can see this car a little bit closer, check out some of the other inventory we offer. Feel free to reach out to me direct. This concludes this episode of American Car Stories. I'll see you next time.